The booming sound of fireworks sparked panic and fear at Washington Square Park on Sunday evening, sending parkgoers fleeing from the Manhattan green space. The startling noise could be heard by hundreds who were enjoying the Greenwich Village Park in the sweltering heat at around 8:30 p.m., according to police sources. Footage from the scene shows a massive exodus of people from the park after the blasts. Police sources confirmed that there were no shots fired. The infamous downtown park, where marijuana is sold in plain view of police, was the location of a massive pro-choice rally on Friday. One cop estimated there were 17,000 people in the crowd. Many were holding signs that said "Keep your laws off my body," and "No uterus, no opinion," while shouting chants like "My body, my choice." After the protest, the crowd marched up 6th Avenue. About 24 people were arrested for blocking traffic at 42nd, where they stopped and sat on the floor in defiance of cars attempting to drive. Nearby, a protester appears to have broken a window and poured an unknown liquid on the floor at the Women's National Republican Club on 51st Street, photos show.